Dakan ke video aku akan tips sepi ki perlok ki ba ju it Syntiew bagi bisa melin wan Syntiew sini siapa Ibsd apa Shillong maka office jungi sa sin part dum tau snem dum tau Bnai Agas ngin Sdang Biang kade Syntiew te gidan bunjak Syntiew ki bang dan hane ka ba Syntiew ki bang idi kelang baik jong kinong rep amdai jong ko office te yang amper ingai pi ki Syntiew ki betan siapa kumkine ki ba ki orchid dan drobium orchid kini kita sebagai bangila ban penyo EP senero ada piden kam pilaban order lupa insa penyo EP ini apa Orchidarium dan Syntiew ki ba pilaban wan pitkai itenat dan bagi Syntiew ki ba pilaban thet mungkin kini pilaban thet ma kibun kidan sibun dan kisim medium ro ba pilaban thet dan pergi ba pilaban thet ki ba ki jong office pimla ban thet ndai ki ba jong kinong rep pila ban thet kine hne dan bun jong kinong rep pila ban thet kum kine ter di jong kinong rep pila ban thet te ngi hangne apa Orchidarium ngi sha kinong rep bakin ban bu Syntiew pangin ngira beki ha ban pendi bar advertise ru yak nursery jengki hak sinang ba pera bakidan te kane ka Orchidarium hone kolong ru jak kenja turis aku juga por ke deru ka sell point mah ke bangi deru ya ki Syntiew jeng kinong rep tang ya ki jeng kinong rep ndai jeng office tengim dire te ba tila ban wan sine te ga ni peli baik Naduh si nengkong hadu sing thodieng te pila ban wan baik akan wan singi lain nak sing cuti so Orchidarium today is opened again from August onwards for buying and selling of flowers from the vendor side, not from the office side. So like this plant, most of the plants are from the vendors. So these plants of the vendors we are selling off to whoever who wants to buy them. So people can come here and they can buy flowers because this place is very accessible. It's close to the main road. We have a parking outside also. So like that you can buy. You can see like this, it has a price like 150 rupees. Okay, so this is an example for you. You can also just come and enjoy the variety of orchids. We have almost 60 types of orchids are here in this Orchidarium, both local and hybrid. Even this one also it looks very good. See, wow, it's not sharp.